Welcome everyone, I'm Yuvegan representing Group 3 of Computer Network Laboratory. Today, we are embarking on a thrilling journey through the intricate web of computer networks, telecommunication wonders, and the ever-expansive universe we call the Internet. Take a moment to immerse yourself in this captivating digital landscape. What you see isn't just lines and dots, it's just the invisible threads that connect all of us in this digital age. Ever wondered how simple click instantly transports you to a world of endless information, entertainment, and connection? It's all thanks to these networks, the unsung heroes of our modern existence. But here's the thing, did you know every second millions of messages, images, and data zip through these networks, spanning continents in the blink of an eye? It's like a symphony of connectivity happening right under our noses. And why is understanding this so crucial, you might ask me? Well, think about it. In today's interconnected world, these networks aren't just technology. They are the lifelines that shape how we live, work, and also communicate. So, grab your digital passports because we are about to explore the heartbreaks of our digital existence. Trust me, by the end of the journey, you'll see your devices in a whole new light. Let's go. Hello everyone, it's me again. So let's dive into this fascinating world of connections. Imagine a vast web of interlinked devices seamlessly communicating to share information. It's what we call a computer network. A computer network is like a bustling city filled with roads connecting different places. In this digital realm, devices, basically the computers, phones, tablets are the inhabitants and the roads are the cables of wireless connection. Isn't this interesting? So they share data, resources and ideas, creating its digital ecosystem we rely on daily. Now let's zoom out and see the bigger picture. Telecommunication. So telecommunication networks are like highways that stretch across regions, even continents. Let's take a moment to picture fiber optic cables. So fiber optic cables under the oceans, satellites orbiting high above, it's all part of this intricate system that enables us to connect globally. These networks are the reason we can video call a friend halfway across the world in an instant. And the crown jewel in this network universe, the Internet. Think of it as the grand network of networks, a vast galaxy of interconnected digital realm. It's not just websites and social media. The Internet is the pulse of our digital society, where information flows freely, creativity thrives, and connection transcends borders. But here's the kicker. The Internet isn't a tangible thing. It's a concept, an idea brought to life by these networks working harmoniously. It's like the beating heart of a modern world. Understanding these networks isn't just about tech jargon. It's about appreciating the interconnection that shapes our lives every day. So, whether you're sending an email, streaming a movie, or even watching this video right now, it's all made possible by these incredible networks working behind the scenes. So, stay tuned because we're about to uncover even more wonders of this digital universe. Cheers! Alright, so further ado, let's talk about the IoT, which is called the Internet of Things, and its relationship with computer network. So, the Internet of Things has revolutionized the way devices interact and share data. How exactly does it relate to computer networks? I got the answer. The Internet of Things and computer networks go hand in hand. IoT devices rely on computer networks to connect and communicate with each other and the cloud. These networks provide the infrastructure for seamless data transmission and enable IoT devices to function effectively. So what are some examples of how IoT devices utilize computer networks? Imagine a smart home system where various IoT devices such as thermostats, cameras, smart appliances are connected to a computer network. These devices constantly exchange data, allowing homeowners to remotely control and monitor their home. The computer network acts as a bridge, facilitating the communication between these devices and enabling the automation and remote features. So, how does the Internet of Things impact computer networks? The IoT presents unique challenges and opportunities for computer networks. On one hand, the massive influx of IoT devices puts additional strain on network infrastructure, requiring robust connectivity, bandwidth, and security measures. On the other hand, the IoT opens up new possibilities for network management and optimization. So, what are network management? With the Internet of Things, network administrators can gain insights into the performance and behavior of connected devices. This data allows them to proactively manage network resources, optimize bandwidth allocation, and identify potential security vulnerabilities. Additionally, network management systems can automate the provisioning and configuration of IoT devices, simplifying the deployment process. So, how does the Internet of Things impact security within computer networks? Alright, so security is a critical concern when it comes to the IoT. The interconnected nature of IoT devices poses a potential risk of computer networks. Each connected devices can potentially serve as an entry point of cyber attacks. Therefore, network administrators must implement robust security protocols such as encryption, authentication mechanisms, and intrusion detection systems to safeguard the network and IoT devices connected to it. This is fascinating, right? I know. So, the Internet of Things relies on computer networks for connectivity and data exchange, while also presenting challenges and opportunities for network management and security. The Internet of Things and computer networks go hand in hand, shaping the way we interact with technology and transforming various industries. So it has been an insightful discussion now on IoT. We can conclude that IoT and its relationship with computer networks, we have learned that computer networks play a vital role in enabling the connectivity and the data exchange among IoT devices. The IoT presents both challenges and opportunities for network management security, requiring robust infrastructure and proactive measures. Stay tuned for more exciting advancement. See you.
Hello, Doctor. My name is Vinod Shiva Tharshan, and my metric number is DN2034. So, from now on, I will take over this video by explaining the further related things about internet and computer network technologies. So, I'm starting this video by explaining the advantage and disadvantage of the internet in human life. So, the first common advantage in the internet in human life is unconditional and unbreakable information access by everyone in the globe. So, by having internet, everyone around the world, doesn't matter from any place from the in this globe, they can access any information and any related current issues in the world by using internet. So this is the most major advantage. And the disadvantage is by having a very easy access to internet, a common user, like when they have like a basic knowledge of internet, they might been scammed by the other internet theft, like their privacy can be breached, or their identity can be stolen by someone that have a bad intention on a particular users. So these are the most common advantage and disadvantage of an internet in human life. Now we can discuss how does the transmission of computer network technology has changed the world. From my perspective, there are 5 main factors that can conclude the situation. So the number one main factor, or from my perspective, is global connectivity. So people from around the globe can be easily access or easily communicate with some other people from around the world, like using the internet. For example, now I'm in Malaysia. If I want to communicate with my friend from another country, I can easily use internet to reach him, like by through the media social platform like Instagram, maybe WhatsApp, or some other like Twitter or even Facebook. Another factor from this transmission is, I can say that, communication revolution. So not only by texting each other from another country or another part of the world, we can easily can see them by using phone, like making a video call, or maybe using a Skype in laptop. This all can access to internet also. So another transmission of the computer network technology is information access. As I mentioned before, this is one of the main advantage for every human in this world. Like, we can get any particular information we want from the internet, and we can make it like useful for our daily life also. So another main from my perspective, the main revolution or the transmission is innovation and collaboration. Now, our country need if our country want to be develop or be more advanced in science and innovation, we can easily use internet or access internet to get more information from the upcoming or developed countries like Japan or German. About we can get information about their technologies, how they make it, how they make use of particular equipments to develop their resources. So all these we can use through internet also. Though these are the main factors I think that really make the transmission of computer network technology works. From my analysis, internet and computer technology has their own pros and cons. So if a particular user of internet and the computer technology is sensible and responsible, we can easily overcome the cons of the internet and computer network technology. Because if we just point out the cons of a particular internet and computer technology, we humans cannot be developed or cannot evolve to the upcoming future. So even there's a cons, we have to really be more optimistic about the pros. So like, information access is the main part of the internet and computer technology. So if our human races want to be more advanced or more achievable of our science technology in the future, we have to move forward and think forward how the particular internet can help us to get through our science goals and innovation in the future. So even though there is a something like cannot be changed or cannot be stopped by the evolution of this internet and computer technology, we can always find the possibilities or a solution that can delay the particular cons that could happen in the future for the particular users. So from my own idea or from my own perspective, the internet and computer technology is very important for every human in the world. So we have to be more sensible and more responsible for every information we gather from the internet, and how we use it, and how we make a particular user we share the info with to be more positive and more achievable. So these are my analysis throughout the whole explanation from the video. In conclusion, the modern world has been significantly changed by the internet and computer network technologies, which have brought in a period of never before seen unity, communication and information availability. These technological advancements have transformed our way of living, working and interacting by offering many benefits as well. They do also present difficulties that must be managed and give considerable thought. But the internet has made information more accessible to everyone by giving immediate access to a great amount of knowledge. It has completely changed the way of human races communicate by allowing them for global real-time exchanges and new level of teamwork.